NemoClaw Maintenance, Best Practices Explained. In this video, we'll uncover essential maintenance techniques to ensure your NemoClaw operates at peak performance and lasts longer. Learn practical skills to minimize downtime and maximize efficiency.
Did you know that regular maintenance of your NemoClaw can extend its lifespan by up to 50%? In today's video, we'll delve into the crucial practices that keep your equipment in top condition. From routine inspections to emergency repairs, let's ensure your NemoClaw is always ready for action. Routine inspections are the foundation of effective maintenance. Start with daily visual checks for obvious signs of wear or damage. Weekly inspections should include more detailed examinations, such as checking for loose bolts and assessing moving parts. Use a detailed checklist to ensure nothing is overlooked and document your findings meticulously. This proactive approach helps identify issues before they escalate, saving you time and money in the long run. Keeping your NemoClaw clean is crucial for optimal performance. Start by using compressed air to remove dust and debris from hard-to-reach areas. Choose lubricants specifically designed for your equipment to reduce friction and wear. Apply lubricant to all moving parts according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Regular cleaning and lubrication not only enhance performance but also prevent rust and corrosion, extending the lifespan of your equipment. Early detection of wear and tear is key to avoiding major breakdowns. Focus on areas such as joints and hydraulic systems. Use diagnostic tools to measure wear patterns and compare them to baseline data. Document these patterns to predict when parts need replacement. This foresight allows for smoother operations and fewer unexpected stoppages, ensuring your NemoClaw remains reliable and efficient.
When it's time to replace parts, efficiency is crucial. Begin by identifying which parts need replacing and sourcing quality replacements from reputable suppliers. Gather the necessary tools for the job, ensuring you have everything on hand before starting. Follow a step-by-step process for removal and installation, checking each step against the manufacturer's specifications. After replacement, conduct thorough testing to ensure everything functions correctly before resuming operations. Firmware updates are essential for maintaining the latest features and security patches. Regularly check for updates from the manufacturer and make it a habit to back up existing settings before proceeding. Follow the manufacturer's guide for installing updates, ensuring you do not skip any steps. Post-update, test all functions to confirm the update was successful and that the NemoClaw operates smoothly with the new firmware.
Calibration is vital for ensuring your NemoClaw functions within its specified parameters. Use precision tools and software designed for your model to carry out the calibration. Depending on usage frequency, calibrate your equipment monthly or quarterly. Follow a detailed process to adjust settings, and verify results by testing the equipment in real-world scenarios. Proper calibration not only enhances accuracy but also prevents premature wear.
Emergencies can happen at any time, and being prepared is half the battle. Familiarize yourself with common issues like hydraulic leaks or electrical failures. Keep an emergency repair kit handy, equipped with essential tools and spare parts. Learn quick fixes and basic troubleshooting techniques for immediate action. Know when an issue is beyond your expertise and requires professional intervention to avoid causing further damage. Proper documentation of maintenance activities can greatly enhance your maintenance strategy. Use digital tools for easy record keeping, capturing details like date, type of maintenance, issues found, and actions taken. Maintain different records for routine, preventive, and emergency maintenance. These records are invaluable for predictive maintenance and can be shared with your team to improve overall efficiency and communication. In summary, maintaining your NemoClaw is not just about preventing failures, it's about optimizing performance and extending its life. Consistent application of these best practices will save you time and resources. We encourage you to create your own maintenance checklist and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and updates on keeping your equipment in prime condition. See you in the next video.